HupSix. My name is Stephanie, and I am so excited to have you join me. Two things before we get started. One, we're going to be facing away from the bag, so you need to take a second and adjust yourself so that you can see the screen and the bag is behind you. Two, you need to make sure that you are wearing the HupSix socks over your sneakers. You want to test placement, so how you do that is you want to just step back onto the ball of your foot and make sure that your foot doesn't slip. If it does, you want to pull them further onto your sneaker, exposing more sole at the toe end. And then you also want to check that you can easily twist and turn with ease. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, let's get in the active position. So we want our hands up by our shoulders. The curve of the handle is in the crook of your thumb. The long part of the handle is resting across your palm. You want to put the weight on the balls of your feet. You want to be far enough away from the bag that in this position, the rope is off of your body. You want to tip forward at your hips. I'm going to show you what the basic step is, and then we'll do it together. All right, so it's just right, left, back, step. That's it, okay? So it's 4 steps. So you go right, left, back, stomp. So you notice I stay tipping forward the entire time, and that back heel on that back step stays up, all right? So if you drop it, it's going to get you behind the music, so you don't want to do that. So this very much feels very active. It's like you're a football player and you're very grounded, all right? So it's 4 simple steps. So it goes right, left, back, stomp. All right, so we're going to keep that rhythm and we're going to warm up. So we're going to try that rhythm with a squat. So what you want to do is you want both feet wider than your hips and your feet are parallel. You're going to squat down and you're going to touch your elbows to your knees. And then you're going to stand up and reach your arms high on a high diagonal. And then you're going to keep your hands there for the back step. So you go back, stomp. Then we're going to do it 3 more times. So you go click, 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 and then we're going to go back to the basic. All right? So with HupSix, we use the click method. So all you want to do is step in time with the clicks. We'll give it a shot now. You'll see what I mean. We always let 1 round of 4 go by before we begin so that we can get on them correctly. All right, here we go. Right, left, back, step. Right, left, back, stomp. Right, left, back, stomp. Right. Now we're going to go into the squats 4 times. So you're going to go down, reach, back, step. Down, reach, back, stomp. Down, reach, back, step. Check that both feet are parallel. Good, back, step, and then back to the basic. All right? Good, that's it. So we're going to do it to a song. It's not going to be a whole lot faster. We're just kind of getting used to the basic step and warming up our body. I'm going to talk you through a few arm variations just to get everything moving and grooving. Here we go. Back, step. So right, left, back, step. 2. Back, step. 3. I'm right here. Yeah, you know. 4. Good. 4 squats. So nice and wide. Try to touch your elbows to your knees. Back, step. Down, reach. Down, up, back, step. Good. Yay! Awesome! First round done. Woohoo! Round 2, we're going to start with 4 basics, which you know how to do. I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. It's a twist, so just watch it first. You're going to rotate away, and you're going to go right, left, plant, twist, twist. All right, so let's do it together. So let's just do 1 basic to get into it. So you're going to go right, left, back, stomp. So you're going to rotate your toes and hips to the front left corner. You keep your hands and your shoulders facing front. So you're just rotating your bottom half. So we step forward on the right, step back on the left, and then you're going to slide that right foot right in line with the left. You're going to lift both heels just easily off the ground, nothing major, just so that the weight's on the ball of your feet. And you twist your knees to the right and to the left. So you need to stay tipping forward and in that active stance, otherwise you're going to feel like you're going to fall over. So you want to go right, left, slide, twist, twist. Right, left, slide, twist, twist. Right, left, slide, twist, twist. And then you'll notice we're already rotated this way, so we want to step forward on a slight diagonal to get back into the basic. Okay guys, let's try it with the clicks. So we're going to do 4 basics face in front and then 4 with a twist. Here we go. Back step. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we're gonna rotate into the twist. So right, left, twist, twist. Right, left, slide, right, left, plant, right, left, twist, twist, then back to the front on that diagonal. Great. Just like the song before, I'm gonna talk you through a few fun arm variations to keep things moving. Just follow me, and I got you. Boom, boom. Here we go. Right, left, back, step, 2, 3, 4. Get a little lower. Here we go. We're gonna step away. So away, forward, plant, twist, twist. Right, left, right. Good. Back to the front. Good. Let's try to press. 2, 3. Good. Into the twist. So forward, back, plant, twist, twist. So stay tipping forward and get a little lower. 3. One more. 4. Good. Back to the front. Add a press. 2, 3, 4. Good. Into the twist. Right, left, plant, twist, twist. 2, 3, 4. Good. Press again. This time we're going to try to add the press on the twist. All right, so I'll show you what it looks like. Just follow me. Good, so we're going to step away. So here we go. Right, left, then we go. Push. Right, left, plant, push. Right, left, plant, push. One more. Good, back to the front. Let's press the opposite. Right, left, back, step. Let's do it together. So you go click, 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 click. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, step, right, left, back, step. So you'll notice I'm chasing and replacing my feet. So it's almost like there's a band around my thighs so my legs can't get too far apart. Back, step. So everything's nice and compact. Good. Back, step. So we're going to do 4 of those. Then we're going to do 4 with a twist. So we've done it before. We're just adding the triple step. So we rotate our toes and hips to the front left corner. Stay tipping over. Right, left. Slide in. And then we're going to do the press and twist. So we're going to go right, left, press, twist. Right, left. They slide in place. And then again, you're kind of on that angle, so you want to do the next triple step to get back to the basic on that diagonal. All right? So we're going to do 4 and 4. Let's try it with the clicks. I believe in us. Here we go. Boom. Back, step. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, step. Right, left, back, step. 3 times. Good, one more. 4. Then we're going to go away from the bag, keeping your hands and shoulders facing front. Just rotating that bottom half. Right, left, twist. Right, left, push. Right, left. Then we go back to the basic on a little bit of that diagonal. Let's try it with the song. All right, it's not going to be a ton faster, so you can really get the groove of it. Here we go.
Come on.
Right, left, back, step. Right, left, back, step. Back step, one more.
Baby,
here we go, away. Right, left, get low. Right, left. High on that angle. One more.
I love the way you are.
Back to the front, good, first one done.
Well, you say, well,
2,
it's all right. When I
3,
call you in the middle of the night, you say, babe,
4. Good, 4 twists. Right, left.
I love the way you are.
2, 3.
Listen, everybody around
4.
here keep on talking.
Back to the basic.